Deputy Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin says local car manufacturers must step up its production should they want to continue operating and compete once the country's automotive industry is further liberalised. He says manufacturers should also assist their component suppliers via research and development activities in order for them to remain competitive and meet the needs of both the local and global markets.
Kerajaan Malaysia sentiasa memastikan supaya sokongan pada keperluan industri otomotif ini terus diberikan kerana ia merupakan industri yang amat penting bagi penjanaan aktiviti ekonomi negara kita. Kita juga tidak dapat lari daripada menghadapi cabaran dunia globalisasi hari ini. Dengan wujudnya persekitaran persaingan global yang amat kompetitif, adalah mustahak bagi syarikat-syarikat pengeluar kenderaan tempatan untuk menjadi lebih kompetitif dan bersiap siaga dengan cabaran-cabaran yang semakin hebat.
Muhyiddin said this when launching Perodua's S-Series variant in conjunction with the car manufacturer's 20th anniversary in Hulu Selangor on Wednesday.
Perlu memastikan fokus yang berterusan untuk menjadi sebuah syarikat yang berorientasikan global dan bukan semata-mata hebat di pasaran domestik sahaja.
Earlier, Muhyiddin laid the foundation for Perodua's new 790 million ringgit plant, which is expected to be operational by mid-2014. He says the government has made detailed planning to ensure that any change as a result of market liberalisation is systematic to avoid a negative impact on the automotive industry. He also says the price reduction of between 3% and 5%, or between 2,200 ringgit and 17,000 ringgit for new cars in the fourth quarter of last year, is the start of the government's long-term plan to lower car prices.